Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here, and I'm with
Bria.
And my camera guy is in football camp, so Bria volunteered to do some taping for me today. I hope you like our video. We'll get started right now.
Bye.
Hey everybody, I am making you a video about, how can I put this? Sometimes you may have plans to do things, but God is ultimately in control. We were supposed to have triple-digit temperatures for the last 4 days, but you know what? We had the upper 80s, low 90s, and now it's creeping back up close to 100 degrees. But during that time, I took advantage of the cooler weather, and I brought my tomato seedlings that I started inside for the fall and early winter. Because I'm in Garden Zone 8A, Mesquite, Texas, we have a long growing season. And even though we have some really hot temperatures in the summertime, we kind of forget all about that when we realize that we are blessed that we're able to grow all the way up into the first freeze. And that's usually November, and sometimes it doesn't even come until December. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's get started. This morning I am potting up some of my tomato plants that I was growing from seeds inside, and you can see these are the healthiest looking ones. They were the first two to come out. And then over here was the second three, and you can see they're not transitioning as well. But that's okay, because we had a lot of rain, and so they're a little waterlogged. And when you're transplanting your seedlings outside, make sure that you have a lot of soil in whatever pot that you decide to use. And these are just nursery pots. And I'm going to put them down deep in the soil. I'm going to remove all the leaves from here on down. Can you see that? From here on down, because trust me, they're going to grow new leaves. Tomatoes have the ability to grow all along the stem. And this is new potting mix that I got on sale. So let's take the first one out. And I love to plant in the clear pots so you can see that root system. See there? And I'll rinse these out and use them again. So I'm going to try to do this with one hand. I'm going to coax this out. Hopefully it won't fall all apart. And the stem is pretty flexible, so you don't have to worry about that. And I'm not going to be able to do it. Oh, I got it. I got it. Brian's at football practice. That's my camera guy. So I'm going to make a big scoop or a hole right in here. And I have tools, guys, but I just love digging in the dirt. And then I'm going to put this one right here. And let's put some soil around it. And let's look and make sure what this is. It is the Amazon Celebrity. So I'm going to put 2 in here. And for those of you that think you can't put 2, you can in this big pot. Because you can just get them in 6-packs from the nursery. And it could be 2 in 1, and you separate them. This is a house celebrity, so I don't want to put that together. Let me find another Amazon. Okay, here it is. It's not looking too good. That's okay. We're going to take all the leaves off from the bottom here. Let's take this one off. Actually, I can take this one off too, and I'm going to. And I'm going to coax it out. Come on, baby. Very good. And get it in there. And then we'll top it off with soil. I'll be back when I do that, because I don't think I can do that with one hand. Oh, you don't never know. Let me try. And I'm going to fill it all the way up to the top here, because I want that plant to just keep on growing. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to put them real nicely into my garden beds where there's a lot of shade. And I'm going to do all of them, and I'll be back. I have them transplanted. I've got them watered in. And let me share with you that this is the Haas Celebrity Tomato Variety. And this is the Amazon Celebrity Tomato Variety. I told you guys I was going to contrast and compare them. And so far, I'm liking the Merchant on Amazon seeds better than the Haas. I had poor germination rate with the Haas seeds. 10 seeds from Haas. It was $3.99 plus shipping cost. I got 30 seeds for the same price, $3.99 from Amazon, and I have Prime, so they shipped it free. And these are the mushroom baskets. I put 2 to a container, and over here the same way. And I removed a lot of the bottom leaves, as you can see here. I'm waiting for the pots to finish draining, and then I'm going to water them again because it was new potty mix, as I said previously. Okay, I'm going to put them. Woo! Got to make up my mind. I think I'm going to put them in different spots up under the shade cloth in the garden. Yeah, that's what I'll do. And I'll come back in a few days and let you see how they have adjusted. But the garden is looking good. We got cooler temperatures. We've had them for the last few days, and I am so, so thankful. And this is what prompted me to bring out my tomato starts early, because I had originally planned to bring them out in August. I waited until the sun came back out so I can determine where would be the best spot. And I decided to put 2 of the mushroom baskets right here. And they're draining. And let me show you the next spot. I put the other 3 containers right over here where they will get shade from the shade cloth. And then I have 2 solar powered fans right here that will reduce the temperature when it gets back up to 100 degrees. As you can see from this photograph from the Weather Channel, we've got really good temperatures, but in a few days we're going to be back to triple-digit temperatures. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm retired and I love to hear from my subscribers. Well, as in closing, you guys know I always let you know that I love you and God loves you too. Bye now.